17 contains duplicate. Given an integer array, nums return true if any values appear at least twice in the array. Return false if every element is distinct. So in this one, input one, we have a one and a one here, so that gives us a true. And this one we have 1, 2, 4 with no all all of it are distinct. So all values in this one are distinct, so we get false. And this one we have multiple duplicates, one's three and three here, 4 and 2. This one is an easy one. We can easily solve this by just making loop into it and then detecting if we have for example this one we can just go and do and then index this value, and if this one the next one is the same as this, then we can just get the true statement. So let's get into it. Let's define our set equals to set. Let's loop through the nums value, the nums array for number for the number in nums. If the number is in our set, return to what's next now. Let's add it for every number in nums. Let's add it to our set. Our set, let's add number, and let's make this statement in case we don't have we can't find it in our set after going to the loop and finishing the loop. So to return false. Number to our set for each loop. Add comments to it. Our loop. Condition and data structure value variable. Find okay, so let's run it and see if it works. This one's an easy one. Should be able to go through it, and that's it. Now submit it and see if it goes for all cases. And it's been able to go quicker. And that's it for this one.